important point, very important question. Of course, it is also repeatedly asked question for the interview room. Of course, in the interview room, what is the difference between double equal operator? What is the difference between double equal operator and dot equals method? What is the difference between double equal operator and the dot equals method? If you want the answer in one line, if the interview person, most of the times interview person is going to expect in one line the answer, you can tell double equal operator meant for reference comparison. Double equal operator meant for reference comparison. Reference comparison or address comparison. Double equal operator meant for reference comparison or address comparison. Whereas dot equals method meant for content comparison, right? Okay. In general, if interview person is going to expect what is the difference between double equal operator dot equals method, in a single line the answer is double equal operator meant for reference comparison, dot equals method meant for content comparison, right? Then immediately you may ask, so what is reference comparison or what is content comparison? Can you explain with an example? Is nothing but like, here let me go for a simple example now. String S1 is equal to new string of Durga I am taking. String S1 is equal to new string of Durga. String S2 is equal to new string of Durga I am taking. String S1 is equal to new string of Durga. String S2 is equal to new string of Durga. System.out.println S1 double equal to S2. System.out.println S1 dot equals of S2 is nothing but like S1 double equal to S2, S1 dot equals of S2. Okay. So can you tell what is the answer we are going to get in the first case and what is the answer in the second case? In the first case, is it true or false? First case, true or false? False or true? Second case, same, true is the answer. Here just observe, string S1 is equal to new string of Durga. Just I am creating one string object with the content Durga. String S2 is equal to new string of Durga. Another string object with the content S2. S1 and S2. S1 double equal to S2. Now you are seeing double equal operator meant for reference comparison. If both the references point into the same object, then only double equal operator returns a true. Suppose, so if S1 and S2 both are pointing to the same object, then only S1 double equal to S2 returns a true. Okay, this. But in this case, S1 point into this object, S2 point into different object, both are not pointing to the same object. Reference wise, address wise, both are not equal. That's why the answer by default we are going to get false is the answer. Are you getting right? But S1 dot equals of S2 is S1 point into this object, S2 here. Even the objects are different, but the content wise both are same. Okay, this is, that's why dot equals method meant for what? Content comparison. That's why the answer by default we are going to get is nothing but a true. Okay, even though objects are different, but content is the same. That's why the output by default we are going to get is nothing but true in the second case. So I hope with an example, can you explain what is the difference between double equal operator, dot equals method? Double equal operator always meant for reference comparison. Dot equals method in general we can use for content comparison, right? Now the terminology is very clear. Okay, that's all. So better to take this example. If a person is going to ask what is the difference between double equal operator and dot equals method with an example, you have to explain. Yes. Take clearly this example. So here if you observe, S1 and S2 both are not pointing to the same object. That's why. So reference wise these are not equal. Address wise these are not equal. That's why S1 double equal to S2 is the false. S1 double equal to S2 is the false. Next. But S1 content, S2 content, both are same. Content wise both objects are equal, even though different objects. That's why dot equals method returns true. Dot equals method returns true. Is it clear, right? So double equal operator meant for reference comparison. Dot equals method meant for content comparison, right? But here one small twist is there. Compulsory, better to take note. That's all. So it is also this loophole also you people should aware clearly, right? Okay, this. So what is the difference between double equal operator, dot equals method? The terminology is very clear, right? Okay, that's all.